Welcome to this brief tutorial on registering new agents in OneStop. In order to register new agents for your business, you will need to have already registered in the system and claimed your business. If you need help registering, please refer to our OneStop registration tutorial. I've already registered and will need to switch from my personal account listed here to my business account. To switch accounts, I need to click the drop-down next to my name. All of my available accounts will appear, and I will click on the entity that will be registering new agents and click the green Switch button. On my business page, I'm able to see applications requiring further action or applications recently submitted, as well as my official business license. To register an agent, I will need to click on my business license. From here, I need to click on Actions and New Agent Application. The new agent registration is very similar to the past agent registration. Please complete all required fields. Once the registration form is complete, you will be prompted to electronically submit payment. My agent application is appearing under my required action field with the appropriate reasons identified, along with the time and the date of completion. Had I completed payment, the application would not require further action on my part unless there was an issue during processing. Here are some additional resources available to you as you begin to navigate this new system. Thank you for watching this tutorial.